Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Evasion Rights. You can hear my AC. Ignore it. It's way too hot. I've been working out and it's dry, it's brittle, it's dirty. I don't know how I'm going to detangle. Do you see this? I'm going to be using my Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse as my shampoo of choice. I've used this before. It is something I definitely do love. I forgot to mention this in my favorites video, but it's because I just restocked it, so I completely forgot. But yeah, it is a favorite of mine. Now the other three products is something I've never tried, never wanted to try, hesitant to try, but I'm trying. So Camille Rose Coconut Water line, and it's the penetrating hair treatment. And I'm hesitant because it has coconut water. I don't like coconut oil, but anything coconut scares me when it comes to my hair, and it does have coconut oil in it, so I'm still a little scared. Leave-in from the same line, and the Style Setter, we're going to be doing a twist out. So the shampoo, the Sweet Ginger Rinse, instantly melted into my hair and gave my hair so much moisture. I can detangle with this. I've always loved this. It's so good. I can detangle. It gave me moisture, detangling properties. My hair feels clean. It feels hydrated. Like, I love this stuff. The penetrating hair treatment, I will say that you have to make sure your hair is really wet when you're using this before you detangle, because it doesn't add slip on its own. You know what I mean? Like, you have to have water in your hair for sure. I was able to detangle once I figured that out. I didn't have time to hop out the shower and let it sit for longer than 10 minutes. So this was 10 minutes. Y'all, this deep conditioner is a hazard. It's a hazard. I almost slipped and fell when I washed this stuff out my hair. It made the floor in the bathtub so slippery. Like, I almost died. I almost died for silky hair. Like, but anyways, I washed it out and my hair felt good. Is it the best I've ever felt? I don't know yet. I also didn't leave it in that long, so I feel like if I left it in longer, maybe it would have felt better. But it does feel good. It feels really good. I just almost slipped in the shower. That's all. It does say that it combines super hydrating, thirst-quenching coconut water, aloe vera juice, tropical butters, and oils to deeply penetrate and provide maximum hydration and shine. So it says, kiss goodbye to dry, frizzy hair and say hello to gorgeous, shiny curls. Ooh. My hair has felt softer. This is how my hair feels after coconut oil. So I don't know right off the bat. To be completely honest, I don't really know right now. But we're just going to go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner. This coconut water leave-in treatment has a silky texture that combines coconut water with penetrating natural oils to provide maximum hydration and shine, and a lightweight, non-greasy formula. Apply to wet or dry hair for extreme hydrated, soft, and tangle-free hair. Can also be used as a co-wash or a rinse-out conditioner. Right off the bat, I am not sure if I like this leave-in conditioner. Only because I know what my hair likes, and so this might not be it, but I'm going to give it a chance and continue. Alright, so now we're going to be using Style Setter. It says the same exact thing as the deep conditioner, actually. That it's a thirst quenching coconut oil, aloe vera juice, tropical butter, and oil to penetrate, provide maximum moisture and shine. Alright. Does Camille Rose have an edge control? I don't think I've ever seen one. So I'm going to be honest. I don't really know how this is going to come out, because it's not like it promises on here any type of hold or anything. I might twist her in. So I do 2 flat twists in the front, 3 at the side. So 2 flat twists here, and then what is it? Whatever. So it feels hydrating right now, right? But they're still wet. We're gonna see how it's gonna be when it dries. I don't know if it's gonna have any hold just by the way it feels. It feels really spongy. Alright guys, so it's the next morning. I'm using my OGX oil. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, This twist out is really soft, and when it's really soft and not defined, it gets frizzy. So I'm actually not liking this twist out. It's just not like juicy. It's really frizzy. As soon as I, you know, pull them apart, it's really soft. You hear a little sniffling, it's Carter. He's right here. But I ended up not liking it. And when I don't like my hair, like the way my twist outs or wash and goes come out, I put my hair in a puff, and then I put my little satin hat on. It's satin lined inside, so my hair is still protected and it's still relatively cute. Quick overview of the products: the hair treatment, the leave-in conditioner, and the style setter. I don't care for them. So my hair is really conditioned. It feels soft. It feels moisturized. I'm not going to take that away from it. But I have better products that also gives me better hold. If I had to choose one of these products for you to try, or that I recommend, I do recommend the deep conditioner. It was really good. It was hydrating. Had a lot of slip once you put a lot of water on it. So I tried to lick it. I know it smells good, but I have Mish Beauty, which is a lot more moisturizing. If you're not able to order Mish Beauty online and you need something quick and accessible, then I do recommend this line because it does remind me of it a lot. When I was unraveling my twist, it kind of reminded me of when I did the Mish Beauty review and I undid my braids, and it gave me that same mushy feeling because it's really hydrated and it's not as defined. I know some people will be like, well, it's still defined. It's just not as defined as I'm used to. There's Frizz. As for a glycerin free wash day, it's achievable. Like, if you really do not like glycerin, you can get through it. I would just recommend putting a gel over this. I hope this video helped you guys. Once again, glycerin free products are accessible. They are good. I just have better products. Stay tuned for glycerin free wash and go using different products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you find this content helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.